Hi everyone, it's Emil from Pink Buffalo Organics. I wanted to make a quick video tutorial about our grow kits. We have the full care instruction list on the website and I recommend you read through that. There's a lot of helpful information on there. First thing, when you receive the box, you will see a sticker on the side that says this side up with an arrow pointing up. This is important that you place the box in the correct orientation. As you can see, there's holes cut into the cardboard and the substrate is in a plastic bag inside the box. Don't take the bag out of the box. But what I've done is I've also cut holes in the plastic, X's into the plastic, and that's where the mushrooms will fruit out of. So if the box gets flipped upside down, those holes in the plastic will shift and they might go behind the cardboard, and then it'll have a lot of trouble finding a place to fruit from. So that's number one. Number two, don't place your grow kit under any direct sunlight, in front of a heater or air conditioner. This will cause the substrate to dry out, and mushrooms really don't like that. If it's been a couple of weeks and you're still not seeing any growth, I would recommend taking a look at these holes and where the plastic was cut in an X. Sometimes what happens is the plastic will fold right back onto each other and it won't allow enough air to pass through for the mushrooms to start fruiting. I would just take a knife, any regular kitchen knife, anything will do. Don't worry about contamination at this point. The mycelium is colonized and strong enough that it'll fight any contaminations. Take the knife and just find the plastic and just kind of peel it back a little bit and pull them away from each other to allow enough air to pass through. That air is what will help your grow kit fruit. I have a kit here that has been fruiting. This is actually the second flush of this kit, and you can see this one it might still grow a little bit more, and this one is ready to pick, ready to harvest. The reason for that, you can see that the caps have really started to straighten out. They've gotten a little wavy. There's another one on the back here. You can see how the caps on this one are still sort of folding down. That means it still maybe has another day before we harvest that. But this one right here, this cluster is ready to harvest. So what to do when it's ready to harvest? You just hold on to the whole cluster. Don't cut off single pieces of mushroom. Take the whole cluster, harvest it all together. You grab it and you twist and pull, and generally you get a nice clean break. It will mess up your cardboard a little bit. That's just natural. There's a lot of moisture here, so that will happen. And that's all there is. Put the cluster of mushrooms in a paper bag and put it in your fridge, or eat it fresh. I mean, I recommend always eating it fresh, but if you need to store it for a couple of days, put it in a paper bag, something breathable. Put it in your fridge for a few days and it'll still be good. And that's it. I hope you have a successful grow. And if you have any questions, check out our care instructions and our frequently asked questions list. And then you can always reach out to us if you have other problems. All right, thank you.